Yo, what up YouTube? All right, so I have not done a video in a minute due to the reason why I just been more focusing on God, man. I don't want to be no influencer. I don't want to be none of that, man. I just want to be obedient. I want to be in purity. I want to raise my daughter. I just want to enjoy my life, man. I got my life back. 4 months walking with Jesus, man. It's the greatest walk I've ever done. It's the hardest battle spiritually I've ever done. Bro, let me tell you, dog, it's not easy, bro, when you walk in obedience. I'm talking about no porn and no masturbation, no deceiving, no lying, no nothing. Just literally being somebody that God brags about. That's who I want to be every single day. You know what I'm saying? So staying a little bit away from social media platforms, has made it a lot easier just because it's full of poison, full of deception, full of lies, full of greed, full of ego, just full of lies, bro. Right? So now I made a video the other day talking about maybe you are not the person that God wants to bless because, you want him to finance your sin, finance your ego. And you're the one spiritually blocking your trades, man. You're from actually giving you a payout, my brother. So I got my 5th payout already. And I'm really excited, man, because I got to show you guys a nice little cool video with the trades that I took that were able to give me my payout. Now, shout out to James for his $3,000 payout as well. Shout out to my boy Anthony, who's waiting for his $1,000 payout. We got a bunch more payouts in there as well. I just don't know how to say some of their names because they are not from the United States. But listen, man, shout out to you guys as well. So shout out to Johnny, 8th payout as well, which is really insane. Now, I do want to talk about the compound method of 1%. Now, the thing is, a lot of you guys, when you guys realize something, you guys have been trading so wrong mentally. Now, keep in mind, when you've ever gotten a challenge, have you guys ever passed a challenge, but you fudged up on the funded? Yeah, because let's be real. You're trying to go for that little 8-10% that you did in order to get, funded, right? But now, if you can make it 8%, 10% to get funded, sorry, before we go into the education part, I want to give you guys a little 3 minutes pep talk over here, right? So if you can go and pass 8%, 10% to get funded, right? Why not, when you get your funded, trade with the mentality, like I've been telling everybody, and it's been working, of just surviving with a 1 to 1.5% profit. You got 5 minimum trading days, all right, 5 trades. You got 5 trades to make 1% and be in profit for that payout. Why can't you do that? And if you realize that, this is easy, because it is easy to do 1%. It is so easy. It is very easy. Anybody can do 1%, right? Break it down into those 5 trading days to survive in your trading account with more than 1% over 2 trading accounts. Bro, all I'm saying is, my brother, when you got 2 accounts, 200K accounts, I'm telling you, use code YouTube, my boys. Support the freaking channel. Support me. Use code YouTube. You get 50% off. It does not get any better than that. It's the only code on YouTube that gives you 50% off. But listen, on top of that, dude, when you have 2 accounts surviving in 1%, like literally, you add that up so nice. Add that up so nice. You got 2,500 here, 2,000 here, 3,000 there, 2,000 here, and they add up, right? So, okay, 1%, nobody's happy with 1%. But how can you want to be in the 1% if you're not happy with 1%, man? At the end of the day, bro, it's your capital. Because if people can leave hundreds of millions of dollars in these big firms and trading capitals, management companies, and be happy with 1-3% a year, it's because your account size. Let's be real. It's your balance, bro. You're not happy. And God's not going to bless you, bro, because you're not happy with little bit. You're not happy with little. So why can he trust you with more? You're not going to steward it the right way. So he's not going to finance your ego. He's not going to finance your skill if you're using it for pride. It's not going to happen, my brother. God is Deuteronomy 8:18. God is the only one that gives you the ability to produce wealth. So if God is the one that produces wealth for you and gives you the ability to produce wealth, why would he give you wealth? Why would he let you produce wealth when it's just going to lead you far from him? He's not going to, my brother. He's not going to. He's not going to. Oh, but he does it for somebody else. No, he doesn't. They're all scammers. They're all deceivers. I was like that. I was a scammer. I was a liar, and I was a deceiver. I was the same thing. God freed me from that life. I'm telling you, bro. You can always tell by the fruit, my brother. Always tell by the fruit. But let's get back into this education, man. I'm telling you, man. Go in survival mode for that 1%, bro. That 1% is all you need. Over 2 accounts, 3 accounts, whatever you want. I'm telling you, bro. I got 2 accounts, 200K accounts. I go for 1%. Bam. I'm chilling, bro. I'm getting 2 to almost 3% every single month. Bro, that's 5-6 grand every single month just from stress-free trading. That's it. Anybody can do a 1%. So I just want to talk about these last 3 trades that I took. I'm on a win streak too. It's pretty nice. I'm telling you, man, join my group, guys. It's free. I don't want to charge nobody anymore. I don't want to make money on sales. I just want to glorify God, building the biggest faith-based community in the whole entire world of Forex. So join up, man. So all these trades have something in common, right? So look, this was one trade that So this was a trade that I took yesterday. No. Dang it. Sorry, my bad. My trading view be laggy. I'm not sure, bro. Every single time they run a Black Friday promo or some type of promo, y'all ever notice? Every single time trading view runs promos, bro, it just slows down like really crazy. All right, so look at this. This was a trade that I took. Where was it? Yeah, it was here on this bearish engulfing candle. Every single time. Boom. So this was the trade that I took. Now, the reason why I took this trade was because we were aggressively breaking these lows over here on the accumulation distribution. Now, look at this, bro. I've been trading like this more than 2 months. I've been successful. Successful. I'm telling you, I was brokey as heck. I ain't have no job. I depended on me. Literally, I was broke. And look at me now. I'm chilling. I'm getting back on my feet. Just trading just like this and glorifying God. I am literally living proof of this. I am living proof. God does restore. Now, when you got a strategy that is so good, like this one, it all blows. Look at how it's always the same. It's so easy. Look at that. We broke all these lows. We're aggressively going down, right? Now, this pullback, aggressive short down. Look at this acute angle looking ass thing right over here. I'm telling you, this is what we're looking at. Took the sell, but hey, notice something. Now, I'm going to show you what a liquidity grab looks on this one. Notice how we did bullishly kind of close, and then notice down here, that's showing liquidity grab. Right over here, we bullish. All right, now we're kind of breaking a little bit, but next candle, next candle. Notice, we're still looking like we want to go to the downside. We don't look like we want to go bullish. Now, it does look like more than anything, like we're going to go up, but again, looks like a break and retest of this accumulation distribution area. It does, right? Look at the next candle. I'm telling you, man, this is the greatest way to trade. So that was a nice solid trade. That was a trade that gave me my payout. So let's keep going. But many things in confluence there, as well as the point of control. We were underneath the point of control over here, and then we started battling until we came back under. Another thing over here, I want to show you the same exact trading setup right over here. This was a great start to the week, man. Call this signal out too. I've been calling all my trades, man, literally. So there you have it. Boom, accumulation distribution, breaking all these highs. Very nice bullish candle. We're aggressive. I like that. Boom, there was my entry right there. Look at that, super aggressive, super pulling to the upside, and the accumulation distribution was bullish at that point. Let me find it, put it over here so I can show you what it looked like. So at this point, I was running it from here to here. Sometimes it doesn't really show too well on the trading view, but as you can see here, it's kind of showing right now. Boom, we were above it. So we had all confluences to the upside, everything from the volume range profile to the accumulation distribution. And it was just a great solid trade, man. Boom, super solid trade. That was crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I was playing Minecraft when it happened. And I do want to show you my other trade over here. Now this is one I was really proud about. Look at this. There you go, look at this. I was doing a little teaching something over here to Anthony. Shout out to Anthony. He's got a payout incoming. 2% payout. Look, so we broke all of these highs over here. All this, we broke it aggressively on accumulation distribution, super bullish, and it was just kind of more of like a massive push just to come back to this level. So if you look over here on the 1 hour, you'll notice that we were at this level. Oof, right over here. Bam. At this wick high at 10 o'clock in the morning at October 8th, 2025. So yeah, we tested those highs, my boy. Straight up, bam, look. Jeez. I'm telling you, bro. It's super solid, bro. It's like a game, bro. Look at trading like a game, man. I'm telling you, have fun with it. Have fun following your strategy. Have fun looking for the things, man. I'm telling you, man. Just try to go for survival mode. Focus on God, man. Focus on yourself, man. Focus on nothing, because a lot of you guys are so focused on the outside world, man. You guys are just pudriendo, man. You guys are just like disgustingly just poisoning your own brain, man, from being able to operate, bro. I'm telling you, man, you guys gotta be in sync, man. You gotta be in sync with yourself. Your mentality's gotta be perfect. You gotta be aligned, man, with the charts, and you gotta be aligned with God. I'm telling you, man, stay away from the social media life. I don't even want to rebuild on social media. I don't give a damn about it. The day that the FX Daniel Savage comes back because God gave it back to me, that's when I'll be back. Other than that, I don't care about it. I just want to focus on God. I want to focus on getting these payouts. I want to focus on trading with my community, and that's all I give a damn about, man. I'm telling you, man, come join me, bro. I'm more focused on trying to help people. I'm more focused on getting people payouts. I'm more focused on testimonials, man. Not showing the world that I live better than them, that I'm a better trader than them, and none of that none of that BS, man. All I can say is I'm the best mentor that you can possibly have, because I'm more focused on my growth with my community, God, my family, and in my trading, man. I don't care about none of that social media fake lifestyle crap, man. I'm telling you, man, join up, man. Link in the description, baby. Let's get it. Get your account code YouTube. Goodbye.